Demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This is the 2.5-inch triangle with the rounded edges. It consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. And both the bottom plate and the top plunger have a design on it. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of our bottom plate and begin filling. We're going to give it some gentle pushes with our finger so that we ensure that that design on the bottom comes out in the finished product, and then continue filling as normal, giving shakes in between to make sure that bath bomb mixture gets into all the cracks and crevices. Take your top plunger with the design, face down, and we're going to start giving it some presses. So we're going to press and turn. Take your spoon and give some taps around the outer shell. Some taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, and we're going to lift straight up with that bottom plate. Now we're going to place our fingers underneath on the plunger and our thumbs on the top, and we're going to push straight up with that plunger. Grab a piece of cardboard and place it on top. Turn the whole thing over. And we're going to lift straight up with that plunger. And here we have a really cute 2.5-inch triangle with rounded edges from the Maker Shop. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this and any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.